Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Biotrue contact lens solution on the market. If you wear contact lenses, you know how important it is to keep them clean, comfortable, and hydrated throughout the day. That's exactly what Biotrue offers with its multi-purpose solution, designed by the eye care experts at Bausch & Lomb. Biotrue contact lens solution isn't just any lens cleaner. It combines powerful cleaning and disinfecting abilities to remove dirt, protein buildup, and debris, ensuring your lenses stay crystal clear. But it doesn't stop there. What sets Biotrue apart is its hydration technology inspired by the biology of the eye. The formula contains hyaluronan, a natural moisturizer found in your tears, which provides up to 20 hours of moisture for your lenses. That means comfort that lasts all day, even when you're staring at digital screens for long hours. Another impressive feature is how Biotrue matches the pH of healthy tears, which helps reduce irritation when putting in your contacts. It's gentle and effective, working seamlessly to condition your lenses and maintain their natural feel. This multi-purpose solution also disinfects and stores your lenses safely when you're not wearing them. It even includes a convenient lens case for proper storage. The solution is suitable for all soft contact lenses, including silicone hydrogel lenses, making it a versatile choice no matter your lens type. Available in different sizes, including 10 fluid ounces and packs of 2 bottles, Biotrue gives you great value and lasting supply. Safety is always a priority with eye care products, and Biotrue comes with clear instructions to ensure proper use. Always discard the solution from your lens case after each use and store it at room temperature. It's designed to protect your eyes from potential contamination and keep your lenses in optimal condition. Overall, Biotrue contact lens solution stands out for combining science and nature to deliver exceptional comfort, cleanliness, and hydration. If you want a reliable solution that takes care of your lenses like your natural tears would, this product is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you next time.